Made a little progress today. So I got those solar panel stands installed. They holding up pretty good. Wind can't blow those over. Then I built a little makeshift here. I gotta find something to lock this in place better, but it'll hold for the night. Got some work to do. I found me a nicely priced pole saw on Facebook Market. Shout out to Journey to Homestead for giving me the idea. I'm gonna clean up this tree. I think they called it a mesquite tree. I got one. Clean this one up. I got two. I think that third one over there is on my property too. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's on my property. But I think I'm gonna start with these two. Clean them up real good. Spread some mulch around them. Try to keep alive what we got, man. With a little vegetation, with little trees and things like that we have. Try to keep it alive. But man, look at that. Look how flat my land looking out, man. Look how clear it's looking. I got some more stuff behind that tree to clear off. But man, that Chinese excavator, it's been doing its thing. It's slow, but it's powerful, and it get the job done, man. But y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. Look at my wife. Don't run. Man, I gotta show y'all my little outdoor area, man. I had this tent from a few years ago when we were selling snowballs in front of our garage. So I brought it out here, mounted it down with some sandbags. I got some of this little garden liner stuff for the dust control. Got this mat on sale, this little outdoor mat on sale, man, yesterday at Walmart. Just trying to make, an extension of the RV, man. Give us somewhere we could come out, take a breather, so we won't be confined. We live in the RV. Well, I take that back. We sleep, eat, bathe, take care of ourselves in the RV, but we live on 2.5 acres, so.
So we decided to clean up our trees, try to put some more life into them. Saw the extra branches off right there, clean it up real nice. Probably go in after with the pole saw, shape it up real good. And put up some mulch around it maybe. Working on this one now. And he thought about going rent some equipment. I said, you better get out there on that excavator. It can do the work. We can go in with the pole saw once we get all the bigger branches off. Make it, shape it up a little better, but for the most part, the excavator will get that hard work out of the way. It's doing great so far. Have a bunch of those trees outlining the land. Some over there in the back corner. Pretty much all around the fence line and in the wash area. So I'm excited to see how that comes out. Might have another litter on the way. Possibly. Girl, Basil. She looking beautiful. They just love messing with the cat. and the cat loves messing with them. Basil, girl, you looking stacked. They actually get along very well with the cat. Basil was over there with her the other day. They were just hanging out. So I'm glad everything is copacetic with them. And then our newest addition, Basil and Moose's son, Shadow. Come here, Shadow. Good boy. Good boy, Shadow. Got that reverse brindle going on. He's a good boy. Moose, leave the cat alone. Thank God for life, family. Just blessed, thankful. Super thankful. Thank you, Lord.
Sterno on there. Hold this. Country girl, hold this. Yeah, if I had kept my little thing. Anything, well, I knew 2 more bags was gonna do it for this trip. Okay, bring it to me. Thank you. People have no clue what this looked like before then.
I got footage of you cleaning it off. I'm pretty sure we got a picture somewhere. Well, for reference, it looked like that one in the back over there. Far right side, right there, yeah.
Shout out to Journey, the homestead. They the one.
That one there. It looked more.
This one look good.
Looked more like that one. So he did a fantastic job cleaning these up. What's the homie homestead channel?
Journey to Homestead.
Journey to Homestead. Thank you guys for the idea.
I want to try that. I want to try that.
This would be a nice little campfire.
Dad.
Repurpose some of these stones. You already got a nice little stone circle. This pile is from this tree, so hopefully we can put a little bit more life into the tree. And with the brown mulch on this side, probably add just a few more bags. I don't want to smother it, but just a few more so it'll pop. Oh, good morning. Today we are attempting to plant an orange tree courtesy of my little brother. He sent one as a land warming gift. So today we're gonna be getting the ground ready for it. Exciting. I think the plan is to plant the trees along the ravine So that's where this one is going at least. So how many of you guys have any fruit trees or anything planted? Any type of tree? Drop some tips in the comments for sure. Let us know how was it successful. Anything you learned. Any mistakes. The dirt is a little different here than in Louisiana and Mississippi, but we'll see what happens. This is the prime season to grow fruit trees, so this should be fun. My brother also gifted us a shovel, which was thoughtful, but this might make it a little easier. Also, we bought a telescope, and we don't know how to use it. We thought you just set it up and look into it. Apparently, that's not how it works. So we're gonna bring it out during the day and see if we can see stuff, because we have not been successful with any viewing at night so far. Seems like it's a science to it.
Nah, yeah, yeah, work that. Like this.
I could imagine trying to put up that fence, boy.
Oh yeah, they caught it. That's what he was saying. Too many rocks. Too many rocks.
Thanks. Every
2 times width. Oh, it gotta be width. We.
further. Hey,
1 inch above ground level. Get a basil.
some of that gypsum or not?
Yeah, that's it. Put some of that in there, bro.
That's it. Add a little bit of water.
You gotta put a little bit in there, then you gotta put it on the top of it. Okay.
Add a little bit of water, he said too.
That mug gonna be dry so fast.
That's good, okay.
Got to go in there now. Preferably some sand.
Want to add a little bit of water?
I'm gonna water it when I put it in there. I want that water to get directly on the roots like that. I know a little something about growing weed. I done grew a weed. I done grew a little watermelon. What else I grew?
Cabbage.
Huh?
Cabbage.
Some cabbage. I'm talking about something else I grew we used for a long time.
We did some zucchinis. We did some.
A little herb or something.
Was it thyme? No.
Basil.
Was it basil?
Yeah.
Basil. Yeah, we did have them bay leaves. You're right.
Grow that weed though, boy. I know how to grow that weed. You want some weed? I grow you some weed. No time. I had some weed so big I thought the feds would come and get me. Goddamn surprise.
They're 6 feet tall.
They were huge.
All right, people, we got it in the ground.
We leaning on Jesus.
6 months to a year before it'll have oranges on there, allegedly.
That nigga number, we calling him in 6 months.
You're right.
Watch yourself.
I know exactly where he is. That's Tony.
Some cara. Gia is gonna love this.
Facts. That's what Chloe said. You want to stand it up?
Got it in the ground.
I'm doing me an orchid. When that last 7 years of famine come, I'm gonna be running around here like Joseph. I told you, nigga. Y'all sitting there, alright. Y'all hungry. I'm rich. I got all these apples. Nigga, what kind you want? You want one of these Macintosh? What kind of apple you want?